Age Pro. Okay, Sir Moss. Dito daw muna po tayo sa Young Ones, O-N-C-E. Papunta sa Young Ones, O-N-E-S. Okay? So, Sir Moss, pa-age reveal ka naman. Mahulaan niyo ba kung ilang taon na si Sir Moss? So, pa-age reveal naman, Sir Moss.
My age. I am 71 years old. I joined Pro Life in 2006 at the age of 50. 50 plus 20 equals 59. Tama ako, may hawak ng mic eh. Alright. This is taken in the USA when AIDS Pro was launched in 2024. Right? And, you know, this is the latest one. Last year, November, Diamond Academy together with, with Roger Burger. So, meaning to say kasi, pag nag-AIDS Pro ka, tumatanda kang pabata. Okay ba? Alright. Well, and of course, you should be very consistent. On top of AIDS po kasi I'm taking Renuvo, collagen, I'm taking Trifactor, I'm taking the sticks. And it could be tied up with, how you develop the business. Parang consistent mong gagamitin. Hindi pwedeng gagamitin mo ngayon, ihito mo na. So this is just, something that maybe yung mga katulad ko na senior citizen dito na gustong bumata ng 20 years old. Diba? So maganda dito, sabi mo ganyan, tumatanda ka na papata. At saka, you can still do the business. I still travel a lot. And when I visited my doctor actually, ang BP ko, taas, 119/7 Okay, thank you, ma'am.
Thank you very much, Sir Moss. Actually, lagi ko siya kayo nakausap sa office. Isang beses naman, magsi-senior ka na ba, sir? 10 taon na ako senior, ma'am. Ha? Nakalimutan ko na, 10 taon na siya senior. Okay, that's all. Diyan ka lang, sir. Next, let's call on Ma'am Jaycil Cordero from Cotabato City. Pa-age reveal naman, Ma'am Jaycil.
Forever 25. Baliktarin na lang natin. I'm already 53. Okay. By the way, I am Maria Jaycil Tubo Cordero from Cotabato City. When For Life says that Age Pro repairs and rejuvenates DNA and supports longevity, who wouldn't want that, di ba? Kailangan natin yon. And from the moment it was launched here in the Philippines, I was truly excited to try the Age Pro. And yes, many people noticed changes in my appearance and kept telling me that I don't seem to be getting older. Tinuod ba? Diba? So nakikita naman natin, kahit na lang kay Sir Moses. Then, in fact, I looked even younger according to them. They were amazed because they could clearly see the improvement, and some even said, I look fresher and youthful. Ang sarap, no? Tataba yung ating atay. Then even Sir John Orellana noticed that the deep lines and wrinkles on my forehead have diminished and are now less visible. Kahit naman din po ako, na nakita ko sa salamin, dating nafu-fold talaga itong dito ko. Kasi yung skin type ko, hindi po Chinese type. So yung mga Chinese type medyo stretch. Yung sa akin is Bisaya type. Anyway, Age Pro has also added to my strength and stamina, carrying 2 heavy bags every time I go to field. Okay? Dala-dala ko mabibigat na bag and no longer feels exhausted as before. Working the field can be very tiring, especially in hot weather. Sobrang mainit din po sa Cotabato City. But since taking Age Pro, I have consistently and had extra energy. I can still do household chores and prepare dinner for my husband, for my daughter, kasi nanay man. And then, for me talaga, Age Pro is a truly blessing. It's a formulation, supports longevity because we have to continuously appreciate and glorify God's blessings as we fulfill our purpose. So sumahod total, I am very much satisfied with age pro. Daghang salamat!
Thank you very much, Ma'am Jaisil. And finally, okay, to tell us, hindi lang ito pang mga young ones. Pang young ones din. So, Sir JM, pa-age reveal naman.
25 pa? Huwag kang makapasa ng 25, ma'am. Then, magta-36 na po ako sa Diamond Holiday sa Boracay. So, invited po kayo doon. Okay? So, anyway, again, my name is John. Pero, teka lang, ma'am, kasi naglalaglagan tayo ng edad dito. Sa inyo din, ilan taon na kayo, ma'am?
Ilan na taon? Nakalimutan ko na eh. Actually po, in 4 years, 4 na taon, tingnan natin kung magaling ko kayo sa math o maganda lang kayo. In 4 years po, mag-50 years old na po ako. Okay, so...
Oh, thank you. Actually, yun din yung gusto ko. Hindi sa kaming distributor din si Ma'am Grace. Ang tip niya kasi sa akin before, if you really want to stay young, you really have to start early. So, nag-start po ako no early. Pero hindi naman ganyan ka-early kasi wala pa mang age pro ng time. So, imagine po at 22 years old, kay most of you, murag kailan na ako, no? So, ang hirap po kasing mag-talk ng anti-aging, papaganda ng skin, o niya, bugasot na ba? Diba? So, ito po yung nangyari sa akin. Ang una nakasurvive sa akin talaga Glutamine Prime. Tapos, nung nag-launch din ng Aqua Skincare, sometime 2019, nakatry din po ako ng Aqua Skincare, pero please lang, ang Aqua kay itap lang sa naong nga, ayaw na imna. Kay mag-detox dyan mo kayo. Okay, but anyway, this was sometime, 2018 man siguro ni siya na time. So, bagets pa, pero ambot lang, murag lahi man po. Mahirap kasi yung bata tayo, tapos sa una, actually, parang during my early 20s, people would naturally assume that I am around 27 to 29 years old. Ato nga time, no? But karon, murag nalipay na ta kay, di ba? Nag-start na siya mag-notice ang difference God. And then pagka-launch pagka-launch sa Age Pro, nakapalit jud ko daghan. Pero ginatipid-tipid pa na ako sa una. Pero karon na nahurot, di ba, when we first launched Age Pro noong July, nakapalit pa mong product, di ba? Tapos naubos siya kagad na out of stock. And then, dahil na out of stock, ako nakapalit ko og Age Pro sa US. Nakapalit ko price na daan pa na price. Unya, pagbalik sa Age Pro good ba? Kay nag-reprice na baya siya, nag-2.9 na lang. Nasuya ako kay napa ko yung 4 ka bottles na nabilin. Mauna ako na siyang ginimnan, ako ang ipaspasan. Okay, so ang tip ko sa inyo, kung kayo po ay gusto talagang ma-feel yung effects ng Age Pro, you have to at least take 2 capsules a day. Kung may gusto po kayo patunayan sa buhay, sa mga kamag-anak, sa mga kaibigan ninyo, take 3 capsules a day. Kung sa tingin nyo, state of emergency na, kailangan magwapo na paspas. Please take 4 capsules. Mga ma'am sir, pag state of calamity, please take 6 capsules. Okay? Para, ang goal nato kay mabuntag senior citizen, unya, ang mga cashier ba sa mga sa restaurant, mag-ask pa sila kung fake ba mo senior card. Yun ang goal ko. So, hintayin natin. Okay? So, ano mga effects with Age Pro? Number 1, bukod sa glow. Kasi napansin niyo ng mga affiliates ko din, sila na makapagsabi, no? Na, murag hamis naman nakasir sa una, pero karon murag lahi yun, murag isamot ko. Bata, hamis ba na? Murag fresh jud ka, ma'am, no? Tama ba? Tapos, yung sleep ko po, na-promise, nag-improve. Dito lang ako naka-experience ng sleep na mura jud ka giana sa bed, kaya mapamapangin mong lawas. So it means you had a good sleep. Naglalaway po ako ngayon matulog. Pero dili po akong laway, ha? Simhota ako muna. Okay? And lastly, nag-improve din yung bowel movements ko. Karon on average I'm having 2 bowels a day. Tapos inflammations, yung mga pain wala. Okay? So you really have to try for yourself, and next time kayo naman ang mag-testimonial ng tungkol sa intro. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much. Palakpakan naman po natin Sir JM, Ma'am Jason, and Sir Moises Abuan. Ako talaga.